Hi, in this video we will solve this question. This question is medium level in Strata Scratch. So in this question,
Yeah, yeah, no, yeah,
question asked, you are given a table containing assignments, score of student in class. Write a query that identify largest difference. So for difference I will use minus in total score of all assignments. Output just in difference in total score. So I have to just show the total score, nothing else. Between a student with the largest score and a student with the lowest score. So show the score between the largest score and the student with the lowest score. Okay. So for this, I can say first of all we will check the table. So I don't have any total here. So for total, I will add both of them, all of them. I'm writing a star from box score. Okay. And also I'm including one subquery where I will include select. So in this subquery, I want to get the conclusion as a total. So I will add all the assignments, assignment 1, assignment 2 marks from this column, and assignment 3 marks from this column. Okay, and I will give him alias as total from, I can say box scores. I will close the bracket and I'll give him alias as A. You can say Z. So as you can see, I can use this query subquery as a table. So I will remove this thing from here, and yeah, it was connected. But here you can, but I don't want to fetch all the details. I just want the difference in total score between the highest mark score and the lowest marks score. So I will write here max of, because of alias, because of this alias, I will write here total. The total means all the sum of all assignments. So maximum minus minimum of, sorry, total, and I will give him alias as. Right now if we run this code, we got total difference between higher marks and lower marks is 94, which is correct. So I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching.